बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
अभी 2 दिन का जो क्लास है ना, आज और नेक्स्ट मंडे, these classes are very important because I am going to teach you those things which are very precious. इतना precious है, you cannot explain in words. ठीक है? तो see, मरफूम, mansubun, majrurun, these are 3 cases, and these are the 3 cases of only declinable nouns. है ना? मोरब जो nouns हैं, those nouns which are मोरब, they will have 3 shapes, and those nouns which are non-morab, they are mabni. Mabni means fixed. Mabni means fixed. They do not change shape. So there are some nouns in Arabic, very few nouns in Arabic, almost 99.9.5 and more than 5% of the nouns are declinable in Arabic. Only 0.05% nouns are non-declinable, means they are mabni, fixed. Mabni means फिक्स्ड है वो. अब वो कौन है? ऑल दमायर, ऑल प्रोनाउंस, हुआ हुमा हुम, हिया हुमा हुन्ना, अंता अंतुमा अंतुम, अंती अंतुमा अंतुन्ना, अना नहनु. These 14 are fixed. These 14 are fixed. They are mabni. They cannot be marfu. They cannot be mansub. They cannot be majroor. They cannot be marfu, they cannot be mansoob, they cannot be majroor. They will be called mabni. What will they be called? Mabni. So huwa is the damir, it is mabni. Huma is the damir, it is mabni. Hum is the damir, it is mabni. Hiya is the damir, it is mabni. Anta is the damir, it is mabni. Antunna is damir, it is mabni. Ana is damir, pronoun, it is mabni. Nahnu is pronoun, it is mabni. So all pronouns in Arabic are mabni. And mabni are those who do not have marfu, mansoob or majroor form. Next, asmaul ishara. Asmaul ishara. Asmaul ishara कौन है? हाजा, आदिही, ये सब पढ़ा था ना? गालिका, गालिका, तिलका, और दे आर मोर. अभी वो डिटेल नहीं जानना. ये ऑल अस्माउल इशारा आर मबनी. इनके एक ही शेप होगा. दे विल हैव जस्ट वन शेप. दे आर मबनी. सो व्हाट आर मबनी नाउन्स? अस्माउल इशारा. व्हाट? अस्माउल इशारा. But the asmaul ishara have got 3 numbers: singular, plural, dual and plural. Singular, dual and plural. So the singular form and the plural form of asmaul ishara are mabni, whereas the dual form of asmaul ishara are morab. We will learn it in detail. अभी आप इतना समझिए कि these nouns are morab. They will have one shape only. They will have one shape only. The third is asmaul mausula. Asmaul mausula. Alladhi, allati, alladan, alladhi. I mean singular and plural form of asmaul mausula. Alladhi, allati, etc. They are all morab. Understand? So the morab nouns will be only in one shape. If they can go to the place of marfu, they can go to the place of mansoob, and they can go to the place of majroor without change of shape. They will not take the shape, but they will go to that place. है ना? Now देखो, अब एक example समझा के आज खत्म करते हैं. And on Monday I will teach it in detail. So don't miss the class on Monday. Monday is the most important class. Now, see, there was a sentence. Al-kitabu jadidun. ये था ना?
Yes, sir.
This was the sentence. And now I am telling you the grammatical analysis. What I am telling you? grammatical analysis of a
Analysis.
sentence. In Arabic it is again called i'rab, इसको भी i'rab कहते हैं. And Hafiz Salim
No.
Saab and Hafiz Rasul Akhtar and those who are very good in these things, you are learning it within a few days of your classes. Pay lots of thanks to Allah that He has made you learn these things. Right now, I am now going to write the grammatical analysis, word by word grammatical analysis. So I will write the first word. What is al-kitabu? What is al-kitabu? I will write al-kitabu, about al-kitabu. So I will write in this sentence, al-kitabu is mubtada. What is it? Mubtada.
Mubtada.
Acha, when it is mubtada, it has to be marfu. So I will say that mubtada and it is marfu. al-kitabu के बारे में क्या लिखा हुआ है, बोलिए.
مبتدأ مرفوع داون مرفوع وعلامة رفعه الضمة ظاهرة.
MashaAllah, very good. Once more.
الكتاب
مبتدأ مرفوع وعلامة رفعه الضمة ظاهرة.
Next, jadidun. What do we write?
خبر مرفوع وعلامة الضمة ظاهرة.
Azammatu zahiratu. ठीक है, राइट. तो यहाँ जो एग्जाम्पल लिया गया है, अल किताबु इज मोरब और मबनी. मोरब मीन्स
Take three forms.
very good. That which can have three forms, separate form for marfu, separate for mansub, and separate form for majroor. So al-kitabu has got three forms. Al-kitabu has got three forms, and those three forms are, what are those three forms?
Al-kitabu, al-kitaba, al-kitabi.
And majroorun. The three forms are al-kitabu, al-kitaba, al-kitabi. Al-kitabu, al-kitaba, al-kitabi. And jadidun is morab or mabni. Morab. Why is it morab?
Because it is triptos.
It has three forms. Jadidun, jadidan, jadidin. It has a separate form in the marfu case and a separate form in the mansub case and a separate form in the majroor case. But I told you that there are few nouns like damir and ismul ishara, present and plural, singular and plural form of ismul ishara, and the singular and plural form of ismul mausula, alladhi, allati, etc. They are mabni. We are learning about mabni nouns now. So those which are mabni, just think that they have got just one dress. If they are marfu, they will be wearing the same dress. If they are mansub, they will be wearing the same dress. And if they are majroor, they will be wearing the same dress. Then how we will identify if it is marfu or mansub or majroor? We will say that it is mabni. It cannot be marfu, it cannot be mansub, or it cannot be majroor. But we will identify the place where it is used, at which place it is used. If it is used at the place of mubtada, it is marfu. It is at the place of marfu. If it is used at the place of khabar, then it is at the place of marfu. And there are places in sentences where you will use mansoob form and majroor form, which you will learn later. Then in that case also it will be written that it is in the place of mansoob or it is in the place of majroor. I am giving you an example. Look at the example. How we will write it now. The word is haza. Haza kitabun. Haza kitabun. It is a sentence because it is a group of two words and it conveys complete sense. So it is a subject. It's a sentence. And for a sentence, Jumlatul Ismiya, there has to be Mubtada and there has to be the Khabar. So which is Mubtada? Mubtada has to be Marfu and Mubtada has to be definite. Hada is definite. All Ismul Ishara are definite. Marifa. So Hada is Marifa, but it is not Marfu because it cannot be Marfu. So how we will do the grammatical analysis of this sentence? We will write it this way. See how we write it. It's very beautiful actually. See. Ha the about Haza I am writing. Ismul Ishara Mabni. What will you write?
Ismul Ishara Mabni.
Ishara.
Ismul
First you will
Ishara.
write Ismul Isharati. Since it is Ismul Ishara, it will be Mabni. Mabni means fixed.
Fixed.
Mabniyun. Ismul Ishara Mabniyun. Now it is Mabni by what sign? What is the sign at the end of it? What is the sign at the end of it?
Fatha.
No fatha, no. Pronounce Haza. What is the sign on alif?
No sign.
Sukun.
No sign,
Alif
sukun.
has sukun. So you will write Mabniyun ala sukun. Mabniyun ala as-sukun. Mabniyun ala sukun. Mabniyun ala sukun. Now you will write at which place it has come. Now you will write it is Mabni on a sukun, but it is at the place of fi mahalli. Fi mahalli. Fi mahalli means at the place of. Fi mahalli raf'in. It is not marfu, but it is at the place of rafa. It is at the place of rafa. Fi mahalli raf'in. Fi mahalli raf'in. Now, since it is at the place of rafa, means at the place of marfu, it will be mubtada. Now you will write mubtada. So the grammatical analysis of this noun is a little different, which you will write and remember. Hada is ismul isharati mabniyun ala sukuni fi mahalli raf'in mubtada. Fi mahalli raf'in mubtada. Right? So this is the difference only in writing the description of this word. Hada is ismul isharati mabniyun ala sukuni fi mahalli raf'in. The English translation is Hada is ismul ishara, the demonstrative pronoun, which is fixed on sukun. It will always have a sukun, and it is fi mahalli rafin. It is at the place of rafa. At the place of rafa, so it can be mubtada. This is the translation. Ismul ishara mabniyun ala sukuni fi mahalli raf'in mubtada. Just this much you have to do. This is the difference. And about kitabun, you will do the same thing as you did above. Kitabun. What will you do? Khabarun, khabarun marfu'un. Khabarun marfu'un وعلامة وعلامة رفعه وعلامة رفعه what? الضمة الظاهرة. We will be repeating this grammatical analysis in some of the sentences so that you may keep in your mind always, and you don't need to mug it up, don't memorize it. We will be doing it so many times, more than 1,000 times during the course, and you will learn it automatically. Correct? So let us do the grammatical analysis of this sentence. Al-Kitabu. How many words are there in this sentence?
2 words.
2 words. Tell me about the first word, Al-Kitabu.
مبتدأ مرفوع
مرفوع
وعلامة رفعه
الضمة
الضمة
ظاهرة.
ظاهرة. رفعه الضمة ظاهرة. ظاهرة means ظاهر
है
ظاهر means
ظاहिर है दिख रहा है visible है sir
visible. ظاهرة means visible. The dhamma is visible here. It means there will be some cases where the marfu form dhamma will not be zahir also. ये एक दिमाग में रख लीजिए. Situations will come when the dhamma will not also be zahir. Then we will write there it is not zahir. That we will learn later on in the third book. We are going to learn it. Jadidun is khabarun marfuun wa alamatu rafihi ad-dammatu
الضمة ظاهرة.
zahiratu. Very simple thing you have to do. About hadha, it is a little different. And about hadha, you will write hadha is ismul isharati mabniyun. It is not marfu, it is mabni ala sukun. It means it will always have sukun at the end. And now it is fi mahalli rafin. In this sentence, it is at the place of rafa, so it is mubtada. है ना? Now kitabun khabarun marfu'un wa alamatu rafihi ad-dammatu zahiratu. It is very simple. Now let us start the book. You can do it now. Allahu Hafizun. Can you do the grammatical analysis of this word?
Yes.
Allahu Lafzul Jalala. When you describe the word Allah, because it is a unique name. It is a unique name, and there is no name equivalent to this name in the world or anywhere. So this is a very unique name, and it is the greatest name. So before giving grammatical analysis of this word, we will write Allahu Lafzul Jalala. What do we write? Lafzul Jalala, the great word. Lafzul Jalala means the great word. This will be added.
Lafzul
Jalala. Lafzul Jalala means the great name. Then we will write Mubtada'un marfu'un wa alamatu rafihi ad-dammatu zahiratu. Same thing. What is Allahu? Allahu is Lafzul Jalala, Mubtada'un marfu'un wa alamatu rafihi ad-dammatu zahiratu. Hafizun. Hafizun is Khabarun marfu'un wa alamatu rafihi ad-dammatu zahiratu. Is it difficult? Is it difficult for you to remember? Boliye. Is it difficult for you to remember? It is not difficult. Now look at this sentence. Yasirun muhandisun. Yasirun muhandisun. Let us say about Yasirun. Yasirun is mubtada'un
مبتدأ مرفوع
وعلامة
وعلامة
رفعه الضمة الظاهرة. مهندس is خبر
خبر
مرفوع
مرفوع
وعلامة
وعلامة
رفعه
فيه
الضمة الظاهرة.
الضمة.
Correct? Now this sentence, Dhalika sarirun. Dhalika sarirun. What do we write about Dhalika?
اسم
Isharati
الإشارة
mabniyun
مبني
alal fathati, because there is fatha at the end. Mabniyun alal fathati. Mabniyun alal fathati. Mabniyun alal fathati.
فتح
Fathati. Ala will make it fathati. You will learn it in the next chapter. When ala comes, the next noun will be majroor. Alal fathati. Alal fathati. Right? Dhalika. Dhalika is ismul ishara. Mabniyun alal fathati means there will be fatha at the end. Fi mahalli raf'in. Fi mahalli raf'in, at the place of rafa mubtada'un. So it is mubtada. So about dhalika, what do we say? Ismul
اسم
isharati
الإشارة مبني
mabniyun alal
على
fathati
الفتحة
fi
في
mahalli
محل
raf'in
رفع
mubtada.
مبتدأ.
Bas. Sarirun is khabarun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dammatu zahiratu. Chaliye, we will do this much only and then move to other words. There is a word here, qitarun.
Sir, what's the meaning of rafa'a? It is marfa.
Rafa from marfu. The state of being marfu is called rafa. The state of being marfu is called raf'un. And the state of being mansub is called nasbun. And the state of being majroor is called jarrun. Right? So, fi mahalli raf'in, fi mahalli nasbin, fi mahalli jarrin. This place, but if it is at the place of marfu, then we will say it is fi mahalli raf'in. If it is at the place of mansub, we will say fi mahalli nasbin. If it is the place of marjroor, then we will say fi mahalli jarrin. You will learn it slowly. Don't worry about those things. Learn only what I am teaching you now. The rest of the things you will learn when the time comes. Right? जितना बता रहे हैं उतने ही को हटाइए दिमाग में. जब उसकी जरूरत आएगी वो आपको हम बताएंगे और वो भी आ जाएगा. जितना है उतने ही को पहले समझना है. उसका भी टाइम आएगा मंसूब का और मजरूर का. And it will come later. काफी देर के बाद आएगा, अभी नहीं आएगा. Now there is word qitarun. Qitarun means train. Very good. Qitarun means train. Muallimun, teacher. I will write the meanings of these words and then send it to you so that you remember, as I did in the previous classes. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Around 10-15 words are there. I will write the meanings so that you learn it. I don't want to waste the time now. Now, tamarin, exercises. Iqra waktub. Iqra means read. Iqra means read. Waktub and uktub. Uktub means write. Uktub means write. So when Y is added, it will be pronounced waktub. Read and write ma'a zabti awakhiril kalimat, with the sign on the vowel ending. With the vowel endings, you have to read and write them. So how do you read it? Hamidun tabbahun, ar-rajulu mudarrisun, Allahu wahid, al-Quranu kitabun, Muhammadun
Muhammadun
Rasulun.
Jibrilu malikun malakun
Jibrilu malakun. Malik nahi, malakun.
malakun
Malak means angel and Malik
Angel.
means master. So it is not Malik. Malakun is angel. Can you do the grammatical analysis of Jibrilu malakun?
Jibrilu malakun Jibrilu
مبتدا
Jibrilu
مبتدا
مرفوع وعلامة
wa alamatu rafihi
رفعه
az-zamatu zahiratu
Dammatu
الضمة
Dammatu Zahiratu.
ظاهرة
And malakun
lakun khabar
Khabarun
marfu'un wa alamatu rafihi az-zamatu az-zahiratu
الضمة
Dammatu नहीं बोलना Dammatu Dammatu
دم
az-zammatu
Dammatu
az-zammatu az-zahiratu
Dammatu Zahiratu.
ظاهرة
Correct. So आप इसको पढ़ सकते हैं ना सारे सेंटेंसेस को या पढ़ के सुनाए हम ज़ैदुन रजुलुन अहमदु वलदुन अलवलदु तालिबुन इब्राहीमु फलाहुन
falahun
यासिरुन मुहंदिसुन इस्माईलु मुमर्रिदुन फैसलु मुदीरुन सईदुन मुअल्लिफुन अल-खय्यातु वाक़िफुन अर्रजुलु साइक़ुन वत्तबाक़ु जालिसुन अल-फलाहु ज़ारिउन अस्साइक़ु नाइमुन आज़ा मतबख़ुन ज़ालिका तुफ़ाहुन आज़ा दुकानुन ज़ालिका हम्मामुन अल-किताबु मुफ़ीदुन अल-इल्मु नाफ़िउन अल-बैतु जदीदुन अल-मस्जिदु क़दीमुन अल-क़मरु बरीदुन अश-शजरु करीबुन अश-शायु हारुन अल-माउ बारिदुन अल-हजरु सक़ीलुन वल-क़ुत्नु खफ़ीफ़ुन अल-जमलु कबीरुन वल-क़ित्तु सग़ीरुन अल-क़मीसु नज़ीफ़ुन वल-मिंदीलु वसीख़ुन हाज़ा बाबुन ज़ालिका मिफ़्ताहुन सलातु नूरुन वस्सदक़तु बुरहानुन वस्सब्रु ज़ियाउन वल-क़ुरानु हुज्जतुन वल-क़ुरानु हुज्जतुन. Now imla'il faragha, fill in the blanks fima yali, with what the words are given, biwadil kalimati munasibati min al kalimati taliya. With these words you have to fill in the blanks. Al-Qur'anu, which word can you bring from here?
كتاب
kitabun
Kitabun. Jibrilu.
ملك
malakun
Al-ilmu.
نافع
Nafi'un. Al-ma'u. Baridun. Al-qamaru.
بعيد
Sa'idun. Ahmadu.
ولد ولد
और तालिबुन, वलदुन भी हो सकता है, तालिबुन भी हो सकता है. अल वलदु अल वलदु तालिबुन एंड अहमदु वलदुन. अहमदु वलदुन अल वलदु तालिबुन अल फल्लाहु
fallahu
ثقيل
ज़ारिउन अल फल्लाहु ज़ारिउन अल हजरु सक़ीलुन वल क़ुत्नु खफीफुन खफीफुन. Correct. Now sahihil jumal al atiyah, you have to correct these sentences. These are wrong sentences, you have to correct them. Tuffahun alladhizu, is it correct?
No sir.
No. Why? Because mubtada has to be definite. So you will make it at-tuffahu. What you will make? At-tuffahu.
tufahu
And it will not be al-ladhizu. It has to be ladhizun. It will not be definite. So it becomes at-tuffahu ladhizun. At-tuffahu ladhizun. Second, Ahmadun ghaniyun. What is it?
أحمد غني
Ahmadu ghaniyun. Masjidun qareebun Is it correct?
Masjidu
Qaribun.
Huh?
Al-masjidu qaribun.
Al-masjidu. Make it definite. Al-masjidu qaribun. Next. Hada Ibrahimun.
Hada Ibrahimu.
Hada Ibrahimu. Hada is correct. Ibrahimun is wrong. Hada Ibrahimu. And Zalika Ismailun.
Ismailu.
ذلك
Zalika
إسماعيل.
Ismailu.
Ismailu.
As-suqul ba'idu.
Baidun.
As-suqu is correct, mubtada. But khabar has to be nakira. So make it ba'idun. As-suqu ba'idun. Next. Ar-rajulu
الرجل
mudarrisun.
مدرس.
Al-rajulu
مدرس.
Ar-rajulu
mudarrisun.
mudarris.
Mudarris.
Kursiyun maksurun.
الكرسي
Kursiyu
Al-kursiyu maksurun. Very good. Hamidun at-tabakhu.
حامد الحامد
Hamidu.
Hamidun
Tabakun.
Tabbahun. Wasifa, you are understanding?
Yes, sir.
Good. Hamidun tabbahun. Hamidun tabbahun. Zalikal fallahu.
ذلك ذلك فالله.
Allahun hoga.
What is wrong in it?
Allahun.
The khabar is definite here. Khabar cannot be definite. So make it fallahun. Zalika fallahun.
Allahun.
Hayyatun waqifun.
الخياط
Mubtada has to be definite. Al-hayyatu waqifun. Al-hayyatu waqifun. Ma'ul baridu.
Al-ma'u baridun.
Baridun.
Baridun. Very good. Tarjimil jumal al-atiyata ila al-injiliziyah. Translate the following sentences into English. You can translate them. हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Allahu hafizun. Allah is the protector. Allahu hafizun. यही हम बोलते हैं सिंधुजा. When I end the class, I say Allahu hafizun. Allah hafiz means Allahu hafizun. Means Allah
Yes, sir.
is the protector. Allah is the protector. Muhammadun Rasulun. Muhammad sallallahu
Muhammad
alaihi
is the
wasallam
messenger.
the messenger. A messenger. Al-Qur'anu kitabun.
Babun.
The Quran
قرآن
is a book. The Quran is a book. Jibrilu malakun. Jibril
is
an angel.
As an angel.
and
Ismailu mumarridun.
Ismail is a
Ismail is
compounder.
a no,
Male
nurse, male
Nurse.
nurse.
Ibrahimu
Sir, can we call this male nurse as compounder?
No. We call them compounder actually, but they are not compounder. They are nurse. Compounder is the person who composes medicine, prepares medicine. Understand? The nurse is a person who attends a patient. Attends to a patient, takes care of the needs of the patient. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
You are hearing everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Now, Ibrahimu fallahun. Ahmadu waladun.
Ahmad is a boy.
Ahmad is
Ahmad is a boy.
Boy.
Zaydun rajulun. Zayd
Zaid is a man.
That is a man.
Rajulu mudarrisun. The man is a
Man
The
is
man is a teacher.
teacher.
अगर आपको लेसन्स और वीडियो पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इनको सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी हम वीडियो अपलोड करें तो वो आपके पास सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाए। और अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो अपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स में शेयर कर दीजिए और लाइक भी कीजिए।